In the everyday hustle, it's easy to forget the peaceful quiet of an early morning tea time. When southern skies paint our coastal waters, and friendly conversations refresh like sea breeze, we remember then to make time to enjoy life by the sea, to make memories with friends and family on a top 25 golf course designed for both the casual and most competitive of players. Amongst stately pines and sun-streaked horizons, where afternoon shadows dance on the sand of greenside bunkers, and a celebratory drink or family dinner is mere steps away. Join us at the Beaufort Club in a relaxing destination that feels worlds away.